A new film showing unique therapy for patients with Parkinson's disease featuring locals will air using Zoom for free. SNN's Jenna Brew has more on the powerful production.
Parkinson's Third Wind is a new documentary film shining a light on patients with PD and their spirit to fight on. But the real star is Betty Shapiro's smile.
One of the first things that concerned me when I learned I had Parkinson's was, how will you know if I smile? Because, you know, the face becomes masked. And you said you would know.
A love story 41 years strong, the Shapiros epitomize the message of hope woven throughout.
The journey may be different than you thought it was going to be. It can still be an important and meaningful journey together.
For more than a decade, author and artist John Krevling has chronicled his journey through various creative outlets, echoing the message of hope and resiliency. Krevling believes Third Wind delivers a fresh perspective of those living with PD.
It would be portrayed as incapable, not doing much, inactive, inertia. And you don't see it in this film. Because it's not about PD. It's about living the process, about living life fully.
Capturing PD patients flying above their diagnosis on their third wind is exactly what filmmaker Peter Barton intended.
They are not only dancing and boxing, they're expressing themselves through art, through music. Both Betty and John come across not as terribly ill, but as ready to express themselves strongly in this world. And I found that inspiring.
Parkinson's Third Wind will air Wednesday at 4 p.m. for free to all audiences using Zoom. Jenna Brew, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
And you can find the direct link to the Zoom and more resources on living with Parkinson's on our website.